By the way, I'm sorry that I did not mention my son, Mr. Matthew Manuel. He's 5 years old. Since Michael Jackson died, I don't know if you believe in a miracle, something the spirit of the soul. Uh, After Michael Jackson died, I'm crying because I'm a fan of Michael Jackson before. That was a long time ago. When I was my age, I think is 15 years old. I'm practicing. The first title I know from Mr. Michael Jackson, Happy. Then, One Day in Your Life, Give Love on Christmas Day. Uh, I like that. That's my first. Oh, I'll Be There. Oh, a lot of song of Michael Jackson. For the pop dancing, especially for the Billie Jean, Beat It, Thriller. There's a lot of song for Michael Jackson that I can remembering. Especially right now, my son. After I continue to Michael Jackson when we die. Every day I can sing in 1 week. We get a tears a little bit on my eyes on the time. Of course, I am the fan and I'm there for Michael Jackson. My son, they collected all CD of Michael Jackson. They buy it and DVD and some of magazine. And then my son, he watched the video of Michael Jackson. He practicing for dancing. Right now, after that time, they continue up to now. They dancing and dancing. There's no like a choreographer teacher in the time from my son. And then of course I coaching. Yes, of course, if you coach your son, sometimes the attitude of the son they did not complete because we have some for fun and for playing blah 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 etc etc. And one time after that they improving my son. They go to the party. You know the dancing, natural dancing. That's on your mind. That's why I'm like my talent in my karaoke. That's my own. One time only I heard the music and the beat. I gotcha. The same my son. They watch the video, the collection DVD. They got the talent from Michael Jackson. Not much, but I hope so. If make a proven or maybe I got a teacher, they improve. And so they continue for my son career. They always invite at a party, in a gathering like the Valentine party, the last time, and then for the fiestas. And if you know the Cebu City, that's September 26th. We got joining me for the amateur karaoke, and my son they guest in the festival for the Cebu City. The Mexican and the Filipino organization will joining. I think they do 16 years. And right now, for my son's career, if you know JRP, John Roberts Powers, that's entertainment talent school, they go there and then they're practicing hip hop and acting. So I'm glad to share it, my son. We have a natural talent, and I think if you believe in gifted, it's a gifted son. I hope you can appreciate and thank you very much. God bless you all. I love you. Tom and Macho. Okay. Bye. See you in there. Give me a break. Help me to push me up to the give me a lot of rating, my son and me, and viewers also. Thank you around the world, YouTube. God bless you and peace all. Bye.